Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today is a wrestling pay-per-view in Saudi Arabia. It's called Crown Jewl, and this is my EDC for the Crown Jewl pay-per-view. The last couple pay-per-views I did a What's in My EDC Pocket video. We have the Kubi Tarzan and Os 10 steel. Not a really wildly popularly used steel, but it's really great. Then we have the DM Designed Banshee in 14 seat 28N. We have the Invictus by DM Designs in D2, JG10, Awesomeness. And we have the Yokai in 14 seat 28N. And we have the Blade HQ exclusive Donut Victorinox Classic SD. I'll be back when I open this. Your blade, your file and screwdriver, your flathead, and your scissors, plus the standard tweezers and toothpick. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. And let me know what your EDC is in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. More videos to come and more giveaway opportunities in the future. And remember to use those sharp blades.